Built for versatile inspection and navigation tasks, the Pivot ROV delivers powerful performance in a compact form factor. A true observation class system designed for adaptable underwater operations in confined or dynamic environments. Equipped with a 220-degree rotating UHD 4K camera, the Pivot offers wide-angle visual coverage and allows operators to inspect above or below without repositioning the ROV. The tilt shelf allows the grabber and sonar to rotate up to 97 degrees independently of the camera, making it ideal for bottom search operations. 6 vectored thrusters provide precise control in all directions, enabling vertical movement, lateral shifts, and complex maneuvers for accurate positioning and stable station holding in challenging underwater conditions. Rated for depths up to 305 meters or 1,000 feet, the Pivot's powerful 5100 lumen lighting system ensures exceptional visibility, opening up new possibilities for detailed inspections in deep water and low light conditions. The Pivot's swappable batteries provide 2 to 3 hours of operation, with a full recharge in approximately 1.5 hours, supporting high uptime in the field. Operators can replace batteries quickly to maintain continuous operations during extended inspections or consecutive deployments. A direct power option is also available for applications requiring sustained, long-duration inspections. The Pivot is compatible with a wide range of attachments, including DVL, USBL, ROV GPS, grabber, and sonar systems, allowing it to be customized for diverse underwater missions.